The first step to create a successful YouTube channel is to have a unique and branded channel. You can attract more audiences and grab their attention so that they subscribe to your channel, and ultimately this will lead to more views. I will show you how to create a professional and impressive YouTube channel that helps to deliver the message of what your channel is all about. If this is your first time here and you want to build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Let's see what's coming now. 1. Use a professional channel art or banner. You can use Canva to create a channel art that represents your brand, as this is the first thing to be noticed on your channel's main page. YouTube recommends using an image of 2560 x 1440 pixels. I suggest that you use your main theme image with dimensions of 1546 x 423 pixels so that your banner is displayed right at all the devices, like computer, mobile, and tablet. 2. Add a YouTube channel icon or logo. If you're having a logo for your brand or for your service, then customize it to have a high-resolution picture of 800 x 800 pixels. You can use this icon to activate the branding watermark on the channel so as to increase your subscribers and views. 3. Try to use a creative YouTube channel name. Provided that you don't have a brand name, then it's time to let the creative juices flow. Try to choose a name that is short, unique, and can be memorized easily. Try your best to use a relevant name to give your audience a clue of what they should expect to watch on your channel. For example, I used the name No Steroids for my first channel to tell viewers that I'll be talking about natural bodybuilding and I'm against using performance-enhancing substances. 4. Write a full YouTube channel description. A lot of YouTubers usually forget to write a comprehensive channel description, although this can help your channel to be ranked for related keywords you use in the description box, and will also help your viewers to know more about your content and how they can contact you. This is the place where you have to use relevant keywords, highlight what content you'll be producing, and everything that is important for your audiences. Don't forget to add your website and social media links. 5. Organize your channel by adding sections. If you want to attract more audiences and make their life much easier to browse your video content, then you must organize your channel by adding relevant sections that include playlists, videos, or channels. This will help to increase your watch time and help your viewers to discover more helpful information on your channel. 6. Add featured channels. You can add featured channels that have relevant content and treat other channels as your friends. This will build a good opportunity for future communication and later mutually beneficial collaborations. And this will help to get more views and subscribers and gain respect from the community. 7. Add a channel trailer. Create short video talking about your channel, giving reasons of why viewers should subscribe to your channel. Hook your potential audiences with a brief yet attractive introduction. Consider it as an effective sales pitch. 8. Create branded YouTube customized thumbnails. In your branding efforts, it's very crucial to be consistent in each video you create on your channel. Thumbnails are a great tool to promote your channel, and they will encourage your first visitors to watch your videos. You can use the thumbnail images to promote your videos on all social media. 9. Create engaging and high-quality video content. If the production quality is low, nobody will keep watching your content even if the content is good enough. We're not talking about investing a huge amount of money in a camera and lighting, but it's better to use a good editing program to create visually appealing videos that people want to watch and share with their friends. Enhancing the appearance of your channel will pay off and help to build loyal audiences. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video and let's know what you think in the comments below. I'll see you guys on the next one.